Alright guys, well, we are here at Lone Elk Park and we are on the search for the red-headed woodpecker. Now walking through that pile of leaves does not help our chances of trying to get photos of this guy. Don't want to make too much noise. These little guys are all over the place here. I have never seen an area with so many red-headed woodpeckers. It is crazy. There goes one right there. Well, that's a good start. These guys are all over the place. I'm trying to be as quiet as I can be, but it is really, really hard when the ground is just covered with leaves. That sounds like a pileated woodpecker. Just dove right down there, waiting for him to pop back up. What these guys do is they are the only woodpecker to actually catch bugs in mid-flight. Oh crap, he went over there. Alright guys, so what I think we're going to do is we're going to sit right here on this log and kind of just hold still for a minute and just wait for these guys to land on these trees up in this area here, because they are all over the place. Can't hear them right now, but I see them. That's also nice because we have the sun to our back, which you always want in situations when you're photographing wildlife, unless you're going for like a silhouette. There's a trail right here. Oh, there's two of them right there. There's one right here on the ground in front of us. Oh, there it goes. Oh, he went too high though. Damn it. There's one over here that keeps going to the ground, but there's just too much stuff in the way to get a good picture. We're gonna move. Get on this trail. Try not make as much noise as possible. And then I'm just gonna stand still here. There's a red-headed woodpecker that's very active in front of us. right here is helping. Alright guys, we're gonna move forward. Whoa. Let's go around here. It's gonna be pretty hard to stay quiet with all the leaves on the ground, but I'm gonna do my best with this shelf fungus, some kind of shelf fungi mushroom. It's all along this log right here. Pretty neat stuff. Okay guys, well I think I'm going to turn around because I don't hear any wildlife right now. All the woodpeckers seem to be back up on that hilltop where we were at. So I think that's where we're going to head. It is absolutely peaceful back here. I thought this was a trail for some reason, but it's not. So again, we're just going to head back to where we originally were at. I think once we get up here, we're gonna find us a nice spot to just sit and wait, and that way we won't be making any noise and the birds won't feel as threatened by us, and they can just go about what they were doing and not have to worry about us, and we can get our photos. Alright, well, we found ourselves a nice spot. We're just gonna sit and wait. And hopefully that'll work to our benefit. Oh, there he is. You guys can see that. Alright, so the action has died down a little bit, guys. There is one jumping around in the trees over there, but other than that, it's been dead for a couple minutes. Not too long, but it's definitely died down. I think we're gonna sit here for a couple more minutes and then we might head elsewhere. Yes, there's a whole another section of the park over there that has a ton of them. I just was trying to avoid the elk because they're really aggressive right now, and I really don't want to be a part of that. Alright guys, so we are going to head back to the car here and drive into the actual park and try our luck there. Back in. Alright, to the other side of the park. Alright guys, so we are actually inside the park now. There's my car. The lake's over there. And I would like to get up there. I think it'd be a good vantage point for us to try to get some of these red-headed woodpeckers. Just really hope we don't run into any elk. really like to set up on this tree right here. I think this would be a really, really neat photo if we could have a red-headed woodpecker land on this. So I think we might sit here for a minute and hope for the best. Well, nobody has showed up to the tree that I want them to land on, but they are everywhere else. I am just straight laying in leaves right now, trying to camouflage myself. But I look really stupid. Hey, while we're sitting here waiting, guys, if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe. And if you know anybody that likes this kind of content, please share it. Hey, it's free, guys, and it keeps me motivated on what I love to do. So I've been sitting here and there's a golden crowned kinglet flying around. I've been getting photos of him. I'll share those at the end of the video. He's just too quick to video. He's so fast. Oh man, here we go. Oh, yes. Got that guy. There's another one. Someone's got a spider in his mouth. Dude, it just got crazy with red-headed woodpeckers a second ago. They're everywhere right now. Of course, none of them landed on this nice looking tree right here in front of us, but that's okay. There's plenty of other trees that they landed on, and dude, we got some photos. It's just been awesome. I don't know if that little golden crown kinglet brought good luck or what, but ever since he came in the area, dude, they've been active. Dude, there's one right there. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see him. He just won't land close enough. The other ones did, but this guy won't. There's a vine right in front of us. There's a guy right on it. Dude. Oh. Yes. We got him, guys. Well, guys, I think we're done. Dude, this place never disappoints with red-headed woodpeckers. I don't know what it is about this area, but when I'm out in the woods, I never see this many like I do in this area, dude. It is crazy. I don't know. If you're looking for red-headed woodpeckers, come to Lone Elk here in Missouri. They are everywhere. Whoa. Alright, guys. Well, that is going to be it. That was awesome. We got a deer right here in front of us. I don't know if you can see the back end of him around this tree. I'm waiting for him to pop up around that tree right here. Okay, he hasn't moved yet. Maybe we'll move. Oh, there he is. Alright guys, well, we're gonna get out of here. Again, that was an absolute blast sitting out here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, y'all have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you guys next time.